Relax.
Betul, relax. Ahmad Khan.
Race has started.
Terus di hadapan.
It's drafting very tightly.
Masih lagi Azam Malik mencoba mengekalkan di tempat pertama. Mereka sedang menuju ke turn pertama dan juga menuju ke turn kedua.
It's an attempt. Closing in.
Azam Malik terus
Can it happen? No. He came from inside. No.
Jaya memintas, tapi apakah Azam Malik mencoba memintas kembali ke dalam? Tidak. Oh, mereka salah pasang Faisal. Itulah Azam Malik, mungkin tayar dia dah mula kurang. Oh! Dalam saat kita memberi pujian akhir, maka jatuh.
That effort
Oh.
doesn't seem to start, I guess.
Yap. Sayang sekali.
A little bit push from the marshal. Just now you can see there's Ahmad in on the second. He managed to overtake Azwan, but now he's starting at the back. So
Attacking into turn 7. Into last race. Oh, he's wiggling, man.
he's still wiggling.
All the way in. In the lead is still Azwan Malik. Second position, Ahmad Khan.
That was quick.
Closed the gap. This means he's only about 1.5 seconds behind and closing at turn 9.
Out at the last 2 or 3 minutes left.
Right, so that's the trick.
260. Chase up. The lap time has been reducing like almost every single lap.
Turn 9, Ahmad just really, gives it a big boot of gas and catches up visually. So look, even on the screens, I say it's battle for first place.
Trying from inside again, I guess.
Yeah.
I guess it's there's a wiggle. There's a mistake from Azwan.
No! I was looking forward to a battle.
But I didn't expect it to be a wiggle. I think does it look like something going on with Azwan's bike?
He's fallen back. Could it be a tire issue? He's looking down.
Yeah. I guess he has been disappointed as well. It was a very good
Ahmad is doing. How does that work though? I mean,
they suddenly found celebrating his celebrity really.